guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper boat that actually floats. Let's get right into it. First, take a piece of printer paper and fold it in half like this. And now fold it in half again, hamburger style. Unfold and fold the top edge to the crease. When you're folding, make sure the opening is on the bottom. Now fold the bottom flap up. Flip it over and fold this corner over this edge, like an airplane. Do the same thing with this edge. Fold it so it aligns. Repeat on the other end of the paper. Now fold the bottom like this. Open the big pocket, put your hand inside it, and push down like this. And now your paper should be in a square. Fold it like this. Fold the bottom flap up. Flip it over and repeat. And now open the big pocket and push down like you did before. And now pull on this part of the paper. Pull on both sides and then flatten it. Your boat is now ready. It will tip over if the bottom isn't flat. To make the bottom flat, just pull like this. It won't tip over if it has a flat bottom. Hope you enjoyed the video.